Welcome to BMS365 eLearning Tips. Today we're going to review our troubleshooting guide for resolving issues with the automatic upgrade process. In rare cases, the upgrade may not complete successfully. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the manual steps to fix it quickly and easily. A common cause of this issue is a file in the executable folder being locked by Windows. This can prevent the application from updating itself. Here's how to manually resolve the issue. Step 1. Locate the parent folder where the application is installed. This is typically in your Program Files directory or the location you specified during installation. Step 2. Inside the parent folder, you'll find two important subfolders, Executable and Backups. Step 3. Open the Backups folder. Here you'll see zip files containing previous versions of the application. Locate and open the most recent zip file. Step 4. Go back to the parent directory and delete or rename the existing executable folder. Before doing this, make sure you've identified the correct backup file in Step 3. Step 5. Extract the executable folder from the backup zip file and copy it to the parent directory. Be sure to copy the entire folder as it is, not just the contents. Step 6. Relaunch the application using your usual shortcut. Alternatively, you can start it by double-clicking the setup.exe file in the new executable folder. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the upgrade issue. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.